Let's show you a refreshing way to increase your fluid intake and keep your digestive system healthy. This is the aloe vera plant, one of nature's wonderful gifts. It is a natural healer and it is traditionally used for its digestive health benefits. We are bringing the goodness of aloe vera in the most efficient way with Herbalife Aloe Concentrate, a refreshing and soothing aloe beverage mix formulated with premium quality aloe vera to support your digestive system. Aloe helps soothe your stomach, absorb nutrients, and keep your intestines healthy. Herbal Aloe Concentrate contains no artificial colors and low on calorie. Simply mix 15 ml of Herbal Aloe Concentrate in 120 ml of water to enjoy a healthy, refreshing, and great tasting drink. Aloe vera is known to have digestive benefits and may also support hydration when consumed as a refreshing drink. Herbalife Aloe Concentrate.